GTA, Grand Theft Auto, of a stolen Jaguar, still doing about $120 westbound on the 10 freeway, coming up on the East LA interchange any minute here. Still going over 110 miles per hour. Is he in the interchange? I can't make out. It looks like he is in the LA interchange, transitioning now, possibly onto the 101 freeway, northbound 101. Northbound 101. Heading straight for downtown, over the LA River now. All over the road, all over the freeway, encountering a little bit of traffic now, slowing down for the first time as traffic is slowing down in front of him. And he is did he just get off there? No, that's him. Yeah, he got off the freeway, off the 101 in Chinatown, coming up on Spring Street. A right turn southbound on Spring, coming up on downtown LA. Light traffic as he goes south of the 101 freeway. That is City Hall, coming up on City Hall. Didn't see him come out the other side of that building. Did he turn? You saw him? There he is, westbound Temple. Westbound Temple from City Hall. He was at Spring Street there, turned off, and now he's at a red light over the double yellow lines, and now he comes up on some cross traffic through the red light. Downtown LA, a high-speed pursuit of a stolen Jaguar, continuing now westbound Temple, and he is heading straight for the 110 freeway, going through every red light. A left turn, southbound Fig. This is going to put him onto the freeway, I think. Southbound Fig through downtown LA, and now it sounds like the CHP may be pulling off here. That's southbound Figueroa, yep. Southbound Fig, nobody behind him. A right turn, westbound 3rd. Getting onto the freeway, getting onto the 110. This is going to put him on the southbound side of the 110. Southbound 110 freeway in the heart of downtown LA, continuing now onto that entrance ramp. Southbound 110 freeway, CHP trying to figure out where they lost him here. They pulled back momentarily. We're going to stick with it, continuing southbound 110 freeway through downtown LA. Next interchange is going to be the 10 freeway, doing about 90 miles per hour. Flying. This guy is flying past everybody, now upwards of 100, pushing 100 miles per hour. Southbound 110 freeway, coming up on the 10 in just about 10 seconds. $90 away. Here we go. Which agency? Which agency? Which air unit? Christina, you copy? Do you know which agency? You said Riverside Sheriff? Thank you. Mark and Giovanna, here we go. You said Riverside Sheriff? High performance, Mark, and high speeds upwards at some points of 125 mile per hour. This pursuit has gotten so dangerous, it's been in and out of pursuit mode. Started somewhere in the East LA area, possibly in Riverside County. The Riverside County Sheriff's helicopter is up here with us tracking this, what is believed to be a stolen Jaguar. Eventually, CHP got involved. They let it go. He made his way into downtown LA, got on the 101 freeway, then sped right through downtown LA off the freeway, got onto the 110 freeway just a few moments ago, and again, flying at upwards of 100 miles per hour southbound on the 110 freeway. They lost him momentarily. Now, as I mentioned, that helicopter has a visual once again, but right now there's nobody behind this Jaguar. Now, we believe it's a stolen Jaguar. We know there's obviously a driver in there, but unclear whether there's anybody else in there with him at this point. But the driving has been not only very, very fast, but it's been extremely erratic, really weaving across lanes, going through red lights when he was on surface streets, and now showing signs of maybe getting off the freeway again here, using that shoulder to get around anybody in his way. Traffic's moving along here. It's not bumper to bumper, but you can see he is just desperate to flee as fast as he possibly can. He's really pushing the pedal to the metal in this newer model Jaguar, southbound 110 freeway through South LA. Giovanna and Mark? He's trying to squeeze through. Going to squeeze through here. Uh-oh. East on Manchester, under the 110 freeway. Now moving away from us here. He's under the freeway, under the overpass, right? He did not come out the other side. Did not come out the other side yet. This is always a tricky point. It's always a telltale sign. If they're looking to dump the vehicle, sometimes they will stop under the freeway. He's out of the vehicle. The vehicle's rolling. The vehicle is rolling into the intersection. He is on foot under that freeway. He is under the overpass, and there is nobody behind him. He may very well walk away from this crime. Now look at this. That Jaguar is moving on its own, bumping into that van. This is incredible. That driver's seat, by my observation, is empty, and now that Jaguar is coming to a stop there in the middle of the intersection at Manchester Boulevard at either Broadway or Main. They're just one block past the freeway there, and as for that driver, he may very well be long gone, guys. It's always difficult when this happens under a freeway overpass. There's no sign of him. Meanwhile, this car is still rolling along here in idle. No, on several occasions we did see debris fly out of the vehicle. Unclear what it was, if it was anything of importance, if it was evidence of some sort, if it was drugs, if it was a weapon. We have no idea. But he was certainly pushing his luck here, and also stepping on that gas pedal at very high speeds as he made his way through Riverside and LA County, looking for that perfect hiding spot or a perfect place to dump the vehicle. And this is a new one on me. He literally just left the vehicle rolling without anybody behind him. There was no law enforcement on scene out here to even take custody of the stolen Jaguar. So somebody's stolen Jag is now rolling through South LA with nobody in it. I can't say I've seen this before. Meanwhile, that driver is long gone, guys. Nobody hurt. Here comes California Highway Patrol. Look at this. The car is rolling right into traffic. The car appears to be in idle, just rolling through the intersection. Here comes CHP. What are we going to see here? A pit? I mean, God only knows. This is a new one on me, guys. Try and open it up. Try and open it up. Is it okay? It's open, and here it comes to an end. Into a pole. Ah, shucks, he says. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Where are we going? Where are we going? Okay. Really?